guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the yet another very exciting video of my channel, and today's video is all about H&M haul. And I have shopped a lot of stuffs from the H&M at a very reasonable prices. So without further ado, let's get into the video and see कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है H&M से. This is the package. Ignore the condition because it's already like it's been a while मैंने इसे लेके रखा था. So ये रखे रखे इसकी कंडीशन ऐसी हो गई है. But let's see कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. And I am very excited to show everything H&M से क्या क्या शॉपिंग की है in their sale, like जो उनका sale was running जब मैंने ये सब शॉप किया था. So let's start with our very first item of this haul, which is these t-shirts. They are in two colors, like same pattern of t-shirt है but in two different colors. So these are very little bit of transparent, like see-through है ये. You need to wear some innerwear with this apart from the bralette. Like you can wear some good sort of white color का कुछ भी आप inner इसके साथ carry कर लो and you're good to go. You just can style it with cargo pants, like denims or skirts, anything you can wear. Like जिस हिसाब से मैंने style किया, you can see in my try on. So the fabric and the material is too soft, too good and too nice. If you will मैंने इसे जो साइज में लिया है, विच इज़ आई मीन द साइज M मीडियम में मैंने इसे लिया है. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ 149 रुपीज़. द ओरिजिनल MRP द कॉस्ट वॉज 499 एंड आई जस्ट गॉट इट इन 149, विच आई रियली फील वर्थ द penny. Same, I have this second product which is also a similar t-shirt but in the different color. Like everything is similar, the fabric, the material. The only advantage of this color is you just can wear bralette and over it you just wear it and just you're good to go. You doesn't need to wear anything apart from the bralette. So this is the benefit of this color, and you just can see how beautiful this top is looking. मैंने इसे स्कर्ट के भी साथ ट्राई किया था, डेनिम्स के साथ भी ट्राई किया है, trousers के साथ भी ट्राई किया है, and it's going so well with anything you wanted to wear, like skirt, denims, trouser, whichever you wanted to feel like, just wear and just good to go. So this is also 149 rupees ka top. I'm in the size medium, and original MRP of this product is 499 rupees. So yeah, these are the two products. Let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is also another top, and this is very nice and very cute top, I feel, from my purchase, because it has this जो ये डिटेलिंग इस पे बनी हुई है इन दिस ब्लैक एंड दिस क्यूट बो. यू जस्ट सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज दिस कलर गोइंग ऑन मी. लाइक आई that color theory, you know na, that really works. Like I feel ki this instantly brighten ups my tone. Especially the look and the fit of this top is so nice, so beautiful. I literally like it. I just can wear it with the cargo jeans and I'm good to go, because usually cargo jeans goes well with the skinny tops. तो मैंने इस टॉप को जब लिया था तब सोच के लिया था, जो मैंने वेस्ट साइड से जीन्स ली है मैं उसके साथ इसे ट्राई करूंगी. एंड ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत प्रिटी जाएगा ये. तो ये दोनों भी, यानी दिस टॉप एंड दैट जीन्स गोज वेरी वेल टुगेदर. इसको ही सोच के मैंने ये टॉप पिक किया था व्हेन आई ट्राइड दिस. एंड आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग दिस टॉप एट 249 रुपीज़ एंड द ओरिजिनल MRP ऑफ दिस टॉप इज 799. सो व्हाट मैटर्स इज द प्राइस. लाइक दैट प्राइस में जो ये मुझे मिला है, इट्स really worth every single penny. So let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is also top, and this is also there. I don't know what happened to me, blue but this baby blue looks pretty nowadays. It's a very running color. So yeah, this is like very simple crop top in blue color, very simple deep neck top. I love to wear deep necks, so ये मैं को लेना तो बनता ही था. And I just got this product at 199 rupees. So ये it's worth buying in that price, and I'm the size small. तो ये मुझे स्मॉल में मिल रहा था, मैंने स्मॉल में ले लिया बिकॉज ये थोड़ा स्ट्रेचेबल भी था एंड H&M के क्लोथ्स आर वेरी गुड इन क्वालिटी एंड फिट सो वेल, सो उसको सोच के ही ये मैंने लिया है एंड यू जस्ट कैन सी इन माई ट्राई ऑन हाउ नाइस इट्स लुकिंग ऑन मी. द ओरिजिनल MRP ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ 499 बट डिस्काउंट में ये मैंने एज आई टोल्ड यू 199 रुपीज़ में ये मुझे मिला था. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइटम which is these trousers from H&M. I actually love the fabric, the fit and the quality of the trouser. These are not that long or not very short. I wanted some ankle length good trousers at a reasonable prices plus on a very good fabric which I got in H&M. तो मैंने ले लिया and the MRP of this product is 1499 but I have got this product I guess around 700 रुपीज़ में ये मुझे कुछ मिला होगा which I feel worth buying it. I am in the size small. मैंने इसे small में लिया है. This fits me so well, so nice. The fabric is so good. Material quality is 10 on 10. Fit is 10 on 10. Look wise it's 10 on 10. Everything is so nice about this product which I really like about it. So let's move on to the next item which are the dresses. I have picked two dresses from the H&M and both are the short dresses and both are very light colors. I like to wear sometimes the light color dresses. So this has very nice deep neck dress and it's very good to wear on vacations पे जाने के लिए because I usually avoid to wear such short dresses to wear in Nagpur, like in my hometown मैं नहीं पहन पाती हूँ because of some other reasons, like I couldn't explain it over the camera here, but you guys can understand, like I belong to a very narrow-minded Rajput family, so it's difficult to wear such short dresses here. But whenever I travel, whenever I go for vacations, I usually wear such dresses. So ये सब देखकर ही मैं ये collection में रखती हूँ अपने. You just see how simple and elegant this dress is looking like. Day time पे पहनने के लिए, if you are on a vacation, आप day में इसे पहन के just wear the shoes with it and just good to go. Just imagine the look. You just can see in my try on जैसे मैंने इसे try किया है. This is also very nice. You can wear like this. आप इसके साथ एक अच्छे से comfortable shoes पहन लो and full day you just doesn't need to think about once. Neither this dress is going to irritate you or anything like that because the fabric, the quality of this fabric is too good. Too good means too good. The original MRP of this product is 1299 but I just got this product at 400 rupees. Means 399 में ये मुझे मिला है which I feel worth buying of this product. The quality, fit and everything is 10 on 10. I'm in the size small. Yes, so that is it about this product. Let's move on to our last item of this haul. Here we are coming to an end of this video with our very special dress of this entire haul which has my whole heart, which is this balloon dress. Some sort of very nice light color dress and a very good fabric, guys. This has very nice balloon pattern dress. Oh, just ignore this. ये इसको थोड़ा iron करना पड़ेगा. But you just see how nice this dress is. This is something like a very beautiful high neck dress and it's a sleeveless one. But the very important thing about this dress is its look with this balloon. ये मुझे इसीलिए बहुत अच्छी लगी थी ड्रेस क्योंकि आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन द बलून पैटर्न में एंड विद दिस ड्रेस माई कलेक्शन इज़ कम्प्लीट कि मेरे पास कुछ बलून में भी है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो यू कैन वेयर ऑन द वेकेशंस लाइक just wear this dress, wear shoes and you are good to go. Even also like if you're having any dinner party or you're going for any party also or you just wanted to look very elegant, just wear this dress and go. You will look like very elegant, sweet and एकदम सोबर लुक आएगा इसको पहनने के बाद. So I'm in the size small and the original MRP of the dress is 1499 but I got this dress as 499 which I really feel worth buying at the price because I couldn't buy at 1499 लेकिन ये 499 में मेरे लिए बहुत परफेक्ट थी परचेज करने के लिए तो मैंने इसे ले लिया. सो या दीज आर दी ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव शॉप्ड from the H&M. And that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family to get some more love from them as well. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Bye bye.